Hello. So now we are going to learn about the advantages of JavaScript. So let's discuss. So first advantage, what is the advantage of JavaScript? So you can see on the board. So it is easy to learn. It is easy to learn and implement as well. So JavaScript is easy to learn and implement because after learning the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it is easily you can learn the and implement. So this is the first point of advantage of JavaScript. So it can easily learn and implement. And the second point is most important because the JavaScript is the JavaScript is run on client side so that it reduce the server load. What is server? Server is backend. So as you know, JavaScript is uh, run on the client side like browser, Google Chrome. So this is run on the browser that is on client side. So it reduce the load of the server because it is run on the client side, not run on the server side. So these two are the advantage. First one is it is easy to learn and implement, and the second one is it is run on the client side so that it reduces the load of the server. And the third point is the performance. It has efficient performance. It has efficient, efficient performance and the quick execution. So JavaScript has efficient performance. When you write the code on JavaScript, it has efficient performance and quick get output by because different browser use their own engine like Google Chrome use the VS engine to compile the code. So similarly, so the response time of the JavaScript output is very quick. So now let us discuss one more point on the advantage is so it is also a platform independent. So JavaScript doesn't bet on any platform. Like you can easily run on OS, Linux, yeah, any platform because it is mainly depend on the browser, not depend on the platform. You can easily run on any platform. So like you can also your website is also visible for mobile, also visible for Apple and Android. So it is easily right on any platform. So next advantage is so the fifth number of advantage is it has rich set of framework. It has rich set of framework and library like React, JS, Next.js, Angular, and etc. So, so all these libraries like Next.js, React.js, and Vue.js all are based on JavaScript. all are internally use JavaScript. So the first, you can see the first point is it is easy to learn and implement. So it is easy to learn and implement. Second point is so JavaScript is run on the client side. So the it reduces the load of the server. And the third point is it has efficient performance. And the fourth point is it is platform independent. It doesn't uh, dependent on platform. It can easily run on any platform. So these are the major advantages of the JavaScript. And one more is it has a set of framework and library. JavaScript has set of framework and library like React.js, Node.js also, Next.js also, Angular and Vue. It, so there are many frameworks based on the JavaScript. So now we are going to discuss about the statement in JavaScript. So what is a statement? So any computer program, either in C++, yeah, either in Java. So similar in JavaScript, a computer program is a list of instructions. So in computer program is a list of instructions to executed by computer program. When you write something and that is a computer program that is made up of instruction and these instruction this instruction is known as a statement. This instruction is known as a statement. So like we are going to discuss more on it. So these instructions are known as a statement. Like you can see that. So suppose let A, B, and C. We are declaring three variables and I am assigning to it the value like 6. So, and B is assigning to 8 and C is assigning to 55. So you can see that this is a computer program. So this is, you can see this is a statement 1. This is a statement 2. This is a statement 3. This is a statement 4. So you can see that this is a statement. Similarly, here is also a statement. This is also a statement. So computer program is a list of a statement. So these statements are made up of a small instruction. So similar way, JavaScript program is a list of programming statement. JavaScript is also a list of programming statement. So you can understand what is a statement. So any computer program is made up of instruction and these instruction made the statement. So as you can see, so one more point know about the statement. So a statement is a statement is separated by semicolon. So all the statements are separated by the semicolon. If you don't put the semicolon, then those are not the statement. So you can see I am going to show you how the statement will look. So, so you can see here if we don't put these semicolon, so this is not a statement. So this is not a statement. When we put something 55, 56, and we put semicolon, we need to put semicolon, then we call the statement. Otherwise, these are all the instructions. So a statement in JavaScript, all are clear. So hello. So now we are going to discuss about the JavaScript syntax. So JavaScript syntax is a set of rules. So syntax is a set of rules. So JavaScript S-C-R-I-S-T is a JavaScript syntax syntax is a set of rules. Which type of rule? Like how to create a variable, like how to create a variable and how to use those variables. So, like how to create a variable, and second point is how to use those variable. So JavaScript syntax is a set of rules how to create a variable and how to use those variables. So let's see on the JavaScript engine. So now we are going to clear those, and after that we are going to use this. Okay? So so first point is the how to create a variable in JavaScript. So there are so many ways of create a variable in JavaScript. Like first we learn what a var. So by using keyword var. So so by using keyword var, I'm going to discuss how to create a variable by using var keyword. So let's see how to create a variable. So suppose var a equal to var a. This is create a variable. I have created a variable, name it a, and var b, create a variable, name it b. Another create a variable c. So now I I have looked at so how to create a variable by using that. Simply write the keyword and after the name of the variable. So how to create a variable? Example var var and the name of variable. So you can see. So now this these are the these are the name of the variable. So these are the name of the variable. So this part you can see this is a keyword, a special keyword. This is a special keyword. This is a keyword. This is a keyword. And the did part. So you can see that did part is the name of the variable. You can put anything. You can put any name except the special keyword. I will discuss what is the special keyword. You can don't put a special keyword here. So this is the name of variable. So by using var keyword, you can create the variable like what must be. So like so how to create a variable? Example var a. This is create a variable var b. This is create a variable var c. This is create a variable. So as many as you can create a variable by var keyword by var keyword. So there are as many as you can create a variable by using the var keyword. So we had see that how to create a variable. You can see also here. So how to create a variable. Now the we move to the second point. How to use those variables. How to use those variables. So second point is how to use those variables. So let's see how to use those variables. So so here we have created a variable, three variables a, b, and c. You can see. So now we are going to assign some value 50. We are going to assign 50 into variable a. So and now I'm going to console it a. You can see the inside the variable a, the 15 is stored. So now we are going to assign some value into the b 20, and now we're going to console.log b. So you can see the value 20 is assigned in variable b. So similarly, you can create as many as variable and assign the value. We can also direct create and assign the variable like x, y, z, and having it hello guys. Okay, and now I'm going to console.log x, y, z. Okay, you can see that the hello guys is printed. Okay, so you can create variable by using var keyword. So you can see how to create a variable by using var keyword and how to use those variables. So how to use those variables like var a. This is create a variable named a. Okay, and after that to assign some value. Okay, so a equal to 20. So this is how to use the variable. Okay, so this is the two main key point of creating the variable and use the variable. So you can see the JavaScript syntax is a set of rules how to create a variable and how to use those variables. So can see here to how to create a variable by using var keyword and how to use those variables. So you can easily see here. So now we are going to discuss more on it. So JavaScript syntax, as we see earlier, how to create the JavaScript variable and how to use the JavaScript variable. So JavaScript variable also define two things. So JavaScript syntax, JavaScript syntax define two two things, two types of variable. So JavaScript syntax define two types of variable. Okay. So what one is the JavaScript define two types of value? Which two types of value? First one is the fixed value and second one is the variable value. Okay. So first one is fixed and the second one is variable. So JavaScript syntax define two types of value. First one is fixed value and the second one is what is second one? Second one is variable value. So JavaScript syntax define two types of value. First one is fixed value and the second one is what is the second one? Second is one is the variable value. So what is fixed value and what is the variable value? So fixed value is known as what is fixed value? So the fixed value are called they are known as literals. So fixed value is known as literals. Literals. So literals fixed value are called literals and the variable value are called the variable and the variable value are called the variable. So the variable value are called the variable variable. So JavaScript syntax define two types of value. First one is fixed value. Fixed value is known as literals and the variable value is known as variables. So these two main important about the JavaScript syntax. So now we are going to revise all the JavaScript syntax. Let's see one time. So what is JavaScript syntax? JavaScript syntax is a set of rules. What is the set of rules? How to create a variable and how to use those variables. So this is JavaScript syntax defined. So how to create a variable by using var keyword? So you have to use first the var keyword and the name of the variable. So you can create the variable and use those variables. So and the second main point of JavaScript syntax is so JavaScript. So JavaScript is what is that? So JavaScript syntax define two types of value. First one is fixed value. So fixed value is also known as literals and thus variable value is known as variables. So we will more discuss on the JavaScript syntax on the upcoming videos.